just for everybody that's a guest, I just want to say thank you. Everybody knows that Marco's been, very instrumental in being supportive. He's my fraternal brother. Been very supportive of the campaign, but those that are here as well, just say thank you. We're about to get ready to start January 2nd, getting sworn in. And today was really about, thank you, but also some of y'all are meeting some new folks here. People that are here, they're folks that I'm going to be leaning on throughout the next 4 to 8 years as I continue to, personally grow, professionally grow. So please connect with each other because y'all probably see each other a lot more often. Thank you.